Hi! In front of me is Lenovo Tab E10 and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this tablet. You need to begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called DevCheck, Device and System Info from Flar2 Developer. When it's ready, open it. Now thanks to it, you can learn all the informations about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!